Hey guys, I'm Kimmy, founder of Aident. Today, let me give you a quick introduction to our new product, Loadout. We are solving the problem that agents are great at planning and generating content, but they cannot deliver real results without humans taking over. The reason is that they don't have the real tools to get the jobs done. Loadout is solving this problem by providing them all the tools and knowledges they need in one place. To get started, it's easy. You can just go to our website at aident.ai and copy this prompt into your coding agent. Like you can go to this button, select all your favorite coding agent. Here, I'll just use Codex, for example. When you click on that, it will paste in the prompt. We send that to the agent, and the agent will do all the magics. For the first time, when it's ready, it will ask for you to log in or register your account here. You can use Google or email to log in here. I just use my Google account. Approve the access, and the agent will continue to do the setup locally. Okay, now it's ready. So here it will give some introduction and also a couple of recommended next move to test. Before that, let's go to our app. So on our dashboard, all the features will be listed here. So the first one is the skills. We have picked a couple high quality skills available on the market. We attributed to the open source to the author from GitHub. If you want, you can favorite any of those, and it will show up in your local coding agent in your local machine, and you can use that right away. The second one is integrations. So here it lists all the integrations we have access to. For example, we have the stock data from Polymarket. We have stock data from Polygon. Yep. Some of those access will some of those integrations will be marked as built-in. That means we have the subscription ready for you, so you don't have to pay for their $200 subscription to use their service. Now you just pay for the actual usage you need. For example, for Polygon, it's 0.1 credit per call. Each credit equals 1 cent in US dollar. All the integrations that we provide a managed subscription are listed in built-in here. We have a couple interesting ones. For example, this Acta one, you can get all the first market, the private market data that is not generally available on the public internet. And also you can use Apollo to do the data enrichment to find your sales leads, and 11 Labs to generate the voice, Fell to use all the image generation or video generation tools, Firecrowd to crawl all the websites, different kinds of pages, and also we have OpenSea on our platform. You can you can search for NFTs to get the price changes recently so far. We have all sorts of different services. And other than those platform managed integrations, you can also connect your own account to some integrations like LinkedIn, Framer, Instagram. All those credentials will be saved here in the vault. For my own account, I have connected quite a few integrations for my own workflows. And lastly, that's Audit. All the tools used by the agent will list here. You can see the price for those tool calls. Some of those are free, and for example, this Excel search used 0.7 credits for a deep research call. So here you can keep track of all the agent actions of using all the tools on the platform. And also you can, because some of the tools might be pricey. For example, if you use File to do a video generation, it can usually cost more than 200 credits. If you want to get those approved before the credits is actually used, you can set up here. So for now, for me, I would only approve for more than 100 credit usage. So, and lastly, I will demo a quick use case of doing the social media market research. We have several tools that can connect you to TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit. So you can do a social media content-based market research really quickly and precisely. So for this demo, I will use Loadout to do a broad social media research about users having challenge to connect agents to external tools. We'll ask the agent to find the high signal posts so that we can do the follow-up with them and understand their real pinpoints. So here's my prompt. Let's kick that off and ask the Codex to do the research for us. Okay, after working for 12 minutes, Codex generated a report, but not in Google spreadsheet. It's in Excel. We can connect to my account and ask Codex to push the Excel to Google spreadsheet for me. Remember to add those permission. Great, it's connected. Okay, perfect. The market research report is ready here in Google. Let's take a look. Yeah, looks promising. Alright, so some of those are Reddit posts. And there's one on Next from Peter Young saying agents still require real setup and maintenance for those terminal commands, API keys, and other messy setup. So he wants a no setup agent integrations for a simpler managed connection layer. Yep, that's exactly what we're doing here. Kudos to Peter. Let's see if we can connect and let our product. Great. That's it for the first demo video. Hopefully this tutorial can get you started onto Loadout, and if you're interested, give it a